bringing y'all a collaboration on Konmari style folding. Our challenge is to fold 30 pieces of clothing in 10 minutes and get it to stand up on the table. I'm doing a collaboration with a bunch of other YouTube moms, and the link to our playlist is going to be in the description, so y'all check them out. It's worth it. Alright, we're going to start the timer. And I don't know how to do this, y'all. I'm going to look it up while I do it. Come on, gotta read this. Oh, I did it wrong. Alright.
Now, make a long rectangle with the body of the item in the middle. Then fold it in half.
You're running out of time. You're running out of time.
When a piece of clothing is folded correctly, it will stand.
See if it stands up.
Your thing is turning off.
Is it really?
No, the...
Oh. Sorry. No.
It standed up before. I don't think you're gonna be done.
You think I'm gonna fail my challenge?
I really don't know.
Let's see.
Yep.
It's the nope. I think we got it.
Yeah.
For today's tutorial, I will be sharing with you first how to fold a full-size bath towel, followed by a hand towel, and then last but not least, a face cloth. So let's jump in and get started. First bath linen I will be sharing with you is the full-size bath towel. Now, as you can see, it stands upright, super easy to do. Let's see how it's done. So go ahead and undo it right now, just like that, just like that. So because I'm a little limited in the space that I have to share with you this one, I'm just going to point out what I've done first. So I've just taken one end all the way up to the other to basically form a square. So hopefully you'll get a true sense of that. The next step is to bring the bottom straight up to the top, just like that. Of course, you'll want to make sure that everything is even. I always smooth as
You only have
well.
3 more minutes.
And then basically from there, you're going to bring it over to the other side and then bring it over to the other side again. And it is honestly as simple as that. Little tiny hand towel. And basically all you're going to do for that. And that's as simple
Definitely
as
helped.
that. So again, there's the hand towel.
Our timer went off. This is what we were able to fold in 10 minutes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in 10 minutes. It was a fail.
I would be able to.
It was definitely a fail, but we all learned the right way to fold clothes, or at least the right Konmari style. And we're gonna be doing another video soon to redeem myself, so.